Guys, you know the best part about this gadget world? ये इतना ज़्यादा fascinating है कि you know sometimes we lose the count of time. वो पता ही नहीं चलता कि time कैसे निकल गया है. इस एपिसोड में basically now we are at the spot जहाँ पे मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ. I give answers to all your questions जो आप पूछते हैं tg@ndtv.com पे. Let's see what we have this week. Now, although I'm not proud of my Instagram, but thank you that you loved the pictures. And the camera, it's nothing certain. Sometimes it's my iPhone, sometimes it's my Samsung, sometimes it's a professional Sony camera. Editing is a very kind of basic thing. Maybe a little bit of Snapchat or Lightroom. Filters मैं ऐसा कुछ use नहीं करता हूँ. And I would say the best camera is the one that you have in the pocket at the time of the moment. उस टाइम पे फिर वो चाहे DSLR हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, फोटो कैसा भी आया हो, if it is a moment worth capturing, that's it. Guys, I personally enjoy cars. I love cars, and my favorite while growing up was the Nissan Skyline, the iconic Nissan Skyline, and the one which I would really want to see coming back as an electric version would be Hindustan Motors Ambassador. क्या amazing car है. Just imagine yourself an ambassador running on electricity. मजा आ जाएगा.
हेलो टेक्निकल गुरुजी, मेरे पास नथिंग फ़ोन 1 है और मैं नथिंग फ़ोन 2 लेने की सोच रहा हूँ. तो क्या आप मुझे इसके स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं? और हाँ, ये भी बताइएगा कि मुझे वो लेना चाहिए या नहीं.
Oh my God. See, this is the thing about gadgets. मार्केट में आया नहीं है अभी तक. Right now we don't have the Nothing Phone 2 in the market, but still you're going to buy that, or maybe you are thinking to upgrade. We have so many new things coming on a daily basis, and this is what happens जब आपके पास में इतना सारे gadgets का पूरा प्यार होता है ना. You want to dive deep in the world of gadgets. See, nothing के लिए मैं इतना बोल सकता हूँ, of course I've seen the phone. Of course I know everything about the phone. But right now, if you are already using your Nothing Phone 1, I think you should stick with the phone, because it's not advisable to upgrade phone on a kind of yearly basis. आप उसको और चलाओ. Nothing's definitely gonna give you some good softwares. Phone 2 के features हो सकता है आपको phone 1 में मिल जाएंगे. And then when you feel like maybe the next year it's time to upgrade, तब आप शायद upgrade करेंगे, तो maybe you'll save on some money as well.
Hi टेक्निकल गुरुजी, मैंने आपका लास्ट वीक का शो देखा था. जो मुझे मैकबुक एयर ख़रीदना है, तो मैं एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मुझे ये डाउट है कि मैकबुक एयर 13 और मैकबुक एयर 15 में जो 20,000 का डिफरेंस है, क्या वो जस्टिफाइड है और मुझे कौन सा लेना चाहिए?
You know the reason Apple launched the new MacBook Air 15? The reason was that people wanted a laptop with a bigger screen, but like sleek on profile. And sometimes you can't just gauge performance in terms of a bigger screen size or kind of like that. Both the machines, they are really good. It all depends on your personal preference. If you are happy with the 13 inches size, it's fine. Continue with that, or maybe you can buy that. But अगर आपको चाहिए एक बड़ा screen and you want to avoid the bulk that comes with a pro machine, that's the answer for MacBook Air 15 inches. And it all depends. Pricing, yeah, multiple things going on, but then it's you to decide if you want a smaller screen and a more compact portable thing. Go with the 13 inches laptop. If you want a bigger screen, more power, go with the Pro. But if you want the bigger screen, if you want the portability as well, that's where the MacBook Air 15 inches fits in.